Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. It is a beautiful late December day here in southern Illinois. My daughter and I decided to go for an afternoon squirrel hunt, and we had some luck. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to skin your squirrels. They don't have to be tough and they don't have to be difficult. So we're going to get right into this, guys. I'm going to get you turned around and we're going to get these squirrels peeled out real quick. So here's just a nice young gray squirrel. So first off, we're going to grab him by the tail. We got a nice sharp pocket knife. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're going to put our thumb right here at the base of the tail. This does a couple things. You get a good grip on him, and it also makes it to where you can tell you popped right through that tailbone. So we're going to take our knife. We're going to slice right through there. Okay, we got through the tailbone. See that? Real easy, guys. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to lay him down. And we are going to just peel his britches off, as my grandma used to say. This is how I was taught to do it. Put your knife down, grab him by the feet, grab him by the tail here, and like I said, you got a nice good grip here, and we've already got this started on both sides. You can either do this by hand or the way my grandmother used to do it. She used to put their feet on the ground. She'd stand on them, and then you just grab them. Get them started and pull them right out. And guys, what you end up with is a nice clean skinned squirrel in 30 seconds. It does not get any faster than this. These hind legs down here are super simple to peel out. Just grab them and then just work the skin down. Get these britches off, is what my grandma used to call them. Just work them on down. It really is this simple. Provide for your family. Should know how to take care of the animals humanely and process them quickly to make the best table fare. So, and there we have it. We got ourselves a nice cleaned out squirrel. We're going to get him dressed now. There he is, all done up, ready to put in the pot. Doesn't get any easier than that. There he is, all dressed out, ready to cut up into 5 pieces. We take the front quarters, the hind quarters, and leave the back as one piece. They fry up great. You can parboil them, make a dumpling or a stew. Wonderful clean meat, guys, straight from the homestead.